You adding another one, eh?
Ini pula rare sini.
Bula Nezbit Hazleman.
Itu Tony Satos Chico.
Então só tinha uma malua. Faccio nga may request eh. Faccio may so request go request tinha may bula bila.
Ini mula.
Bula bila. Ay, mana ba to ang gor? Check pa.
Do kay bay saw siak lagi gel.
Malumutan lang dito.
Kenapa we are
Dio.
like I said in the past, what we're doing here is a fun project for us, eh? And I just like to reach out to all our many fans. I think Sylvia's mother, the last time I saw it, we had about 70 or 80,000 viewers.
Bula bila kay.
Bula. This is Simi and I's recording on the mat. This is where we do our stuff after we've come out of the studio, and we hope you like this particular song of yesteryear that we're gonna present to you today. And we're fortunate to have Simi's grandson here with us today.
Diral bro.
He mentors us every night.
Oh yes.
It's Simi, what song we gonna do?
Somebody requested knock 3 times on the ceiling if you want.
Hey girl, what you doing down there? Dancing alone every night while I live right above you. I can hear your music playing. I can feel your body swaying. One floor below me, you don't even know me. I love you. Oh my darling, knock 3 times on the ceiling if you want me. Twice on the pipe if your answer is no. Oh my sweetness means you'll meet me in the hallway. Twice on the pipe means you ain't gonna show. If you look out your window tonight, pulling the string with the note that's attached to my heart. Read how many times I saw you, how in my silence I adore you, and only in my dreams did that wall between us come apart. Oh my darling, knock 3 times on the ceiling if you want me. Twice on the pipe if your answer is no. Oh my sweetness means you'll meet me in the hallway. Whoa, twice on the pipe means you ain't gonna show. things you ain't gonna show.
We hope you enjoyed that one. More to come your way.